Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Settings and going straight to Apps or Notifications. This gets you to the source quickly. Tap the app that's sending spam, don't guess. Confirm by checking recent alerts. Once selected, turn off notifications or choose Silent and disable pop-ups. You're preventing new banners and sounds immediately. If multiple apps are guilty, repeat this process. Make sure to exit settings after each change so Android saves the preference. Then watch for any remaining alerts. Once done with basic notification settings, dig into advanced settings for that app to block channels or restrict background activity. Use block or turn off specific notification channels to stop promos versus critical alerts. If the app still pushes content, go to Storage and clear cache or data. This removes cache triggers. You can also limit background data so the app can't fetch new spam. These steps reduce persistent or recurring notifications and cut off the server. To finish, uninstall or disable any repeat offenders. Removing the app is the most certain fix. Report spammy apps in the Play Store and check app permissions to revoke SMS, notifications, or display over other apps. Once done, restart your phone to confirm changes. If notifications persist, boot into safe mode to identify system apps or as a last resort backup data and perform a factory reset. If that's too heavy, contact Carrier or Google support for carrier-level blocking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.